Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Today we are going to discuss one interesting Odoo module. Do you often find yourself caught in a repetitive cycle of managing manufacturing orders and purchasing raw materials for production? Presenting manufacturing to purchase order Odoo module. This module streamlines raw material procurement by automatically integrating material requirements from manufacturing orders, MOs, into purchase orders, POs, efficiently consolidating them by vendor. It enables real-time tracking of ordered quantities to eliminate redundancy and dynamically generates draft POs for unmet demands, ensuring seamless procurement management, and links POs to MOs for enhanced traceability. Let's see how you can use manufacturing to purchase order module. Starting with installing the module. As you can see, we have already installed this module here. Let's move to next step. From the menu, locate manufacturing and open manufacturing orders. Then let's create a new manufacturing order. Select the product here. And then add component and quantity and save it. You can create a purchase order for this component by just clicking on Add to PO. As you can see, the purchase order has been created as per the requirements entered. You can create multiple purchase order with different quantities. Again, repeat the step and enter product and quantity. Then save, click on Add to PO. As you can see, the quantity is updated. And just by clicks, you can manage multiple purchase orders using this module. Thank you.